Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload story on your Instagram account. First open Instagram app and click on your DP, appear the plus button, click here, and if you capture picture then capture, or if you upload from your gallery and click left bottom and select your picture. If you any editing this picture, then appear this function from Instagram and put your text to the right top and click your story now. Okay, now your story is uploaded. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates.